Today we will explore the importance of rest and boredom, and how these states can enhance our creativity and overall well-being. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, imagine yourself in a peaceful, natural setting. Perhaps you are in a lush forest, by a serene lake, or on a quiet beach. This place is your sanctuary, a space where you can truly rest and rejuvenate. Rest is often misunderstood as a time of doing nothing. But in reality, the brain remains highly active during these periods. Visualize your brain now, working quietly in the background, engaging in important processes that are crucial for your mental health. Imagine your brain as a computer that has been running multiple programs for hours. Now, it's time to close those programs and let it cool down. As you rest, your brain is recovering from cognitive fatigue, replenishing its resources. Picture this restoration happening, like a refreshing breeze cooling down a heated computer. Feel your mind becoming clearer and sharper, ready to tackle new challenges. Now imagine the information you have learned recently floating around in your mind. As you rest, your brain is busy organizing and solidifying these memories. Picture this process as if your brain is filing away important documents in a library. Carefully placing each piece of information where it belongs. This consolidation helps you retain knowledge and make meaningful connections. Now let yourself experience a moment of boredom. Allow your mind to drift without a specific focus. Boredom can be a powerful catalyst for creativity and self-reflection. In this state, you are more likely to engage in daydreaming, leading to creative ideas and deeper self-awareness. Imagine boredom as fertile soil, from which new thoughts and inspirations can grow. As you rest, take a moment to reflect on your goals and aspirations. Boredom can prompt introspection, helping you reevaluate your objectives. Picture yourself setting new goals or recommitting to previous ones, fostering personal development and satisfaction. See this process as planting seeds in your mind, which will grow into meaningful actions and achievements. Even during rest, your brain is engaged in mental rehearsals and planning. Imagine your brain running simulations, preparing you for future actions. This ongoing activity improves performance in various tasks, from physical activities to cognitive challenges. Visualize this as a rehearsal, where your mind is practicing and perfecting your skills. As we conclude this meditation, take a deep breath in, filling your heart with a sense of calm and purpose. As you exhale, release any lingering stress or tension. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying with you the knowledge that rest and boredom are essential for your creativity and well-being. Remember, rest is not a period of inactivity, but a time of rich mental processes that enhance your creativity and overall mental health. Embrace these moments of rest and boredom, and let them nurture your mind and spirit. Thank you for joining this meditation.